organizer. So let's do the testing. The configuration part was done for the automatic payment program. So I want to test this. So before we go ahead and testing, so let's check the vendor. So FK02 SW01 Ravi payment transaction under company code data or payment transaction over here. Okay, address is maintained. Okay.
Yeah.
If you remember, I told you it is controlled at in the when we created payment method at country level over there.
Yeah.
Then these are the bank details of this vendor.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Vendor bank details.
Right.
Enter. Here, if you see the payment method, we'll give the payment method here. What payment method did we create?
Yeah.
Check.
That's right.
Yeah.
But what is the payment method we create? M. Okay.
Yes.
M is the method. Like this, you can keep on assigning whatever methods you have. Okay. Next. Whatever methods you have. Okay. Now, if you want to make this vendor specific to a particular house bank, you can make it here. Okay. I'll save it. Let us check the balance of this vendor. /n FBL1N. So there is around 2000. I'll just clear this. Okay.
Okay.
I don't know what amount is that, whether it was the foreign currency or what.
Okay.
Yeah. Amount entered, assigned 1800. So I have to enter 1800. And simulate. So, gone. So if you see here, FBL1N, there is no balance. Okay. Now entering an invoice.
Okay, 0.
After 0.
43. First invoice.
Okay.
So let's say I'll enter the invoice on 01/04/2014. $60,000. Remove the payment terms. Now can you see your payment method here?
Yeah.
Yes.
Here the payment method you can overwrite if you want to. Okay.
Whatever.
Yeah. You can overwrite here.
Okay.
Like you said M, I'll give M. You can further, if it is whatever it is, you can overwrite. the priority lie at the transaction level, not at the master data level. Okay.
Okay.
Otherwise, by default, it will be M then. 40.
$10,000.
0104 2014. I'll save it. Okay. Alright. I'll create few more invoices. 10/04 2014, 10/04 2014. $50,000. 40. Saved it. Okay, 2 invoices.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, these are all immediate due. Okay, all this. Okay, now I'll try to clear these invoices. What was the transaction code we used to clear with?
F-53.
Now you see. So I raised F-43 vendor invoice. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Now,
Now I'll try to run the program F110, not through F-43 now.
okay.
Okay. You have to remember this transaction code, automatic payment program.
Okay.
F110 here. Okay. So I'm running it on 29/04/2014. Identification. This is like a variant. You can give whatever you feel like. I'm giving this name, first name like this, SW01. Okay. This identification has this control parameters. Okay. Like what are the parameters? Status. Okay. Parameter. See there, I go to this parameter. Under this parameter, okay, you fill up the company code, payment method. Okay, my company code SW01. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My payment method is M. Next payment date is 30/04/2014. Vendor. Whichever vendor is.
40016.
40016.
You can give the range also.
Yeah.
If
Okay.
you are considering payment of foreign currency payments and you want to look into the, yeah.
What is that next payment date is 30/04/2014 does indicate?
Now what will happen is once you give this next payment date 30/0/2014, it will go ahead and pick up the payments, you know, the next payment date. For
Okay.
example, now this is what date I'm running, 29/04/2014, right?
Right.
So if I keep this next payment date as 30/04/2014, it will go ahead and pick up all the invoices which are available between this date till this date.
Okay. Whatever are open. invoices are-
Open. Yeah,
Yes.
open.
From today, that indicates that 29/04/2014 midnight 12 o'clock to early in the morning of 30th.
Yeah. See, if you hear, the date is needed in order to check the due date.
Oh, due date of payables.
Okay. Next payment run.
Okay.
Okay. Now, if they ask in an interview, they want to exclude any particular vendor, right? There might be, right? Because if I give a range here, so and so to so and so range I'll give. And if they want to exclude any range, or if they want to run based on the business area, remember?
Yeah.
We have selected, right, in the first.
Yes.
That selection you can take here. Exclude values here. Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
Any particular thing that you want to exclude. Okay. Or you want to exclude payment for a currency that is being paid with INR, or whatever exclusion they'll ask.
How do we create that exclusion field names?
It will be available here. Hello?
But I didn't.
Here it will be available.
Oh.
Okay. That field name, like currency, if I take here, then you give that value of that currency, INR. Okay.
I understand, but there are no options in your selection.
No. You will get the option.
Okay.
Okay, here see. Document number, vendor master, customer master.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Additional log. This additional log is basically if there are any errors that you can see that log. I'll show you that log also. Okay. Now, for example, I want to see the line item of the payment documents. Okay. Make sure payment method selection in all cases. In between this both, payment method selection if not successful and this one, you cannot check both. Either one you can have of this both.
Okay.
See, it throws an error, see. Okay. This is just for a log, nothing else. Okay. We'll come back to this printout later. Now this is what I have filled up in my parameter. This is all optional. Whether you want to fill it or whether you don't, it's up to you. Free selection and additional log. These are optional. I'll save it. Now if I come back here, it says parameter has been entered, right? Status in the status.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now after the parameters have been maintained, then I'll run the proposal. Run the proposal. What does the proposal does? Proposal, when you run the proposal, it picks all the open invoices. Okay, the proposal. See, I'll run this. Schedule. So do you want to schedule on a particular day or a particular time? You can. But as of now, I want to run immediately. Start immediately. I'll select continue. So what it says here?
Okay, proposal is running.
Running. Just refresh over here. It's created now. See? Hello. Keep refreshing. Okay. Here, this button. Okay. Now this proposal has been created, right?
Okay.
Hello. Now I want to see this proposal first. Let us see the log here. Proposal log. No check, additional log, payment method selection, items due amount. Due now to the amount of USD 60,000, payment method, data has been deleted, no permitting payment method, no payment method has been done. Some error have existed because of the log. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah.
Let us see. 60,000 it is. Correct now, payment method?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah, 50,000 plus 10,000.
10,000, right?
Yeah.
See, it is just
Stick.
showing. I go back, see.
But you said line item, right? Don't it? Oh yeah. Okay.
I just double click on that to see that.
Okay.
Okay, but it is showing in a red color. Back. I'll edit. You can edit the proposal. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, edit the proposal. What does this edit proposal does is, okay, now let us see if I want to block this payment, this payment, 10,000. Or you might feel like it should not be made payment from that particular bank. What was our bank?
Bank BOA.
Yeah, BOA, whatever it is. See here. Now, I'll say here, reallocate. Can you see here? Here. Okay. So what was our bank? House bank. Here. Right?
Yeah.
And I think we picked up savings.
Yes.
Am I right?
Yeah.
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 Savings. Continue. Hey, it is not MN. Hello?
I forgot the method. I don't know.
No, it is not M. It's E.
Okay. E.
FK02. I'm just changing the method. Hello? So don't get confused. Hello? Ravi?
Yeah.
This method, man. We gave a wrong one, no?
Yeah. Okay.
Done. I'll come back to the automatic payment program. Good. You learned something new. Proposal. Delete.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Deleted. Now run again. Proposal. Start immediately. Running. Created. Now I'll check the log.
But you didn't give the vendor number and all this kind of, how it took us without giving the parameters and all this kind of things.
Parameters, I did not delete the parameters. I deleted the log, I said.
Okay, okay. You just deleted the log. Okay.
Parameters as it is. Okay. Otherwise, as you said, let me delete the proposal. This way. Parameters also.
Okay, okay. You have different screens.
Now I have deleted, everything is gone. Now I need to fulfill again.
Okay.
Because we maintained payment method itself is wrong over there.
Mm. Okay.
Additional log. If you want to maintain, you want to see this log. Now it is maintained. Now I'll run the proposal. See, now what will happen? The 60 was early showing in a red color. Now let us see. See, you got the payment, single payment.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah. It is all automatically cleared.
Yeah. Environment. Maintain configuration. Where is that gone? Can you see your single payment for mark line item?
Okay.
Yeah.
I'll select this. back, back, back. I went from here, maintain configuration. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. From environment maintain configuration.
Delete. I deleted it. Running the proposal again. Created. Hey, now what happened when the moment I selected that?
It
See,
took
10,000
only one
separate.
time.
Huh?
Okay, it is taking single. Line items.
Now you understood the significance of that? Single payment per
Okay.
mark line item.
Okay. One by one it is taking.
For each document it will give one invoice then.
Okay.
Ravi,
Yeah,
clear or not clear?
clear.
Huh?
Clear.
This is the log, man. Because we selected there as display log, that is why we are getting this log. Okay. Hello. Now suppose in the parameter, if I do not select not this one, I'll not get that log.
Okay.
Okay. I'll not get that. I cannot see that log at all now. Here, this log.
Kadir, payment method selection in all cases in additional log. If you go to additional log tab, payment method selection in all cases. What does in all cases does indicate? It is a
No, in all cases means whether it can be a check payment, whether it can be a bank transfer, whatever it might be.
Oh, okay, okay. Different types of methods. Oh, right.
Whatever it is. It is just I'm saying that give me the log in all cases. I want the line item. If I do not select the line item, cannot see the 10,000, 50,000 what I was seeing. Now I cannot see that then.
Okay.
Line items of the payment. I cannot see that. Okay. Now I'll see this. See. Earlier this was coming in red color, right? Now see it has gone to the payment automatically.
Okay.
Okay.
2. Now you felt like I want to change the bank, right? You can change it from the front end. If you want to change it, if you want to change this. Hello?
Okay. Yeah.
This you feel like I did from Bank of America, so I want to change, right? There might be a requirement because of no cash or something, you want to go for another bank, right? So you need to edit the proposal here, see here. Hello?
Okay.
Okay.
Double click on this,
Okay.
double click on this, reallocate, see here. But we don't have, right? Any other bank?
We don't have any other bank yet.
So if you have any other bank, then you give another bank here.
I think we have bank saving and checking, right? We can direct.
No, we did not create all those required details for the automatic payment program. Na? We took only savings, right?
Yeah, yeah. We took only for savings, right?
Yeah. Okay, clear? In the front end, if you want to reallocate to another bank, you can do. Additionally, if you feel this 10,000 should not be make a payment to that, you can block it.
Okay.
Okay.
You can block for payment. If you want to block any particular invoice, if you want to block, you can block for payment. Okay, it will stop for payment.
Okay.
Yeah?
Clear.
So here till here it has just edited the proposal and has done nothing. Okay. If you want to take a print of this, you can take a print of this.
Okay.
Okay, you can take a print of this to see the what all payments has to be done. Okay, then you can take this to your particular whatever your CEO or a CFO of the company and ask him whether what payment should be done, what payment should not be done, and all across like. Okay.
Okay, it is just a proposal. It is not clearing the
Proposal.
map.
No. Now when I click on the payment run, it should not only clear the invoice, it should give, after clearing the invoice, it should give the document number for the clearing. Okay, now I'm running this payment run. This is very important. Here, this payment run.
Okay.
So after the proposal, payment run. So can somebody tell me how it is clearing the open invoice? clear the invoice with the document number. Remember, through RFF OUS underscore ski. Remember that program name?
Yes,
That
yes.
program, check program.
Because of that it is doing. See here now. That is where I told you this is an important. Start immediately. Continue. Payment running. Just refresh. Just wait for a second. Refresh. Correct? 2 generated, 2 completed.
Okay.
Okay.
Because two line items. If I would not have selected that single, then only it would be 1 generated, right?
Right.
Okay. Now let us look at the proposal also again for this year. Payment. Okay. Now see here, it has given the document numbers.
Okay. Now it is posted.
Posted. It has cleared. I'll go back. See here. Now if you want to see this payment document number, here you go. Edit, payment, display. Okay, here. So what it gives, it will give you that payment document numbers here. Giving.
Okay.
Now if you go back to that report, FBL1N report, our report. Correct? Clear? Nothing?
Yeah. Now it will be in clear data.
It has gone to the clear data. What was the document number?
4015.
Yeah, 4015.
15 and 4014.
14 and 15. Got it?
Yeah.
Correct?
Okay.
Back. You can use a different document number. I showed you ZP and ZV. Remember? In order to identify differentiate. Forgot? Here.
Here, after the payment run is done, is there any way that I can reverse back it out, or it is out of my company? If it is document is
Reversing the payment.
by mistakenly I had clicked on payment run and it did it. Now the document number is generated, right? We can't reverse. I think we can reverse.
No, if I delete the output also, here it will delete. I think you need to reverse it from there. You need to delete the output from here and then FB08 from there. Reverse it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay, you can do it from there also. But I think you need to do it at 2 places. Okay. Actually, they take a lot of precaution, man, before doing this. Only at the proposal itself, they'll wait. Hold it for a while.
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah.
Okay.
They'll keep it at a proposal stage for a longer time before they carry out the payment run.
Why did I ask is that I use this transaction like a water. I never know the importance of this transaction at all.
Now you know it, right?
Oh yeah, no.
Yeah.
I can't
Now
do
see here,
more.
Now see here, maintain configuration. I go to this. I just want to show you. I was explaining you with respect to the payment document types. Okay. I told you can use ZV and ZP and ZV instead of this. The only difference what will happen, it will sit in a different document type so that you can identify, okay, these are the payment documents that have been done through automatic payment program. Okay.
Right.
Now, I need to create the check, right? Check lot.
Yeah, okay.
The one we created for manual. Hello.
Yeah.
I think I made you write the transaction code also, FCHI, check lot, checkbook. Now we need to issue the check also, right?
Yes.
So it should happen automatic, right? So let me create a check lot now. Number ranges here. See the bottom it is FCHI, transaction code, same.
Okay.
Account ID, savings. Sure, we are use savings, right?
Yeah.
Oh, this is also current. The system seems to be slow, man.
Yeah, sometimes it is giving swap memory error also.
What error?
Many times I am trying to post something or do something, then it is just not accepting anything and giving a error, swap memory low or something.
Savings. Okay, we have current account and savings account. Two we have, man.
Yeah. But we use only saving, I think, so for that automatic payment or something.
Yeah, because current account we used it for manual one.
Yeah.
To make a difference between this and the.
Yeah, see here. So just make it a note here. Two accounts. Current account 2001. Savings account 2. Okay.
Right.
So here in the bank determination. No. I think the we have given it for BI. Two, see?
Mm.
Savings account only. Enter, change, create, just lot number something 2. Check starting from some 5,000 to 6,000. Do I need to create non-sequential?
Depends on the system.
So non-sequential means
Any number it can pick.
any number it can
Random.
pick, right? It should not be selected as a non-sequential in case of a automatic payment
Automatic.
program.
Yes, it should not.
Save it. Back. Still checks have not been issued. Now I'm going to issue the check. Hello.
Okay.
Here. Remember this is the program, right? It will not only clear the invoice, we need to issue the check also. So I'll maintain a variant for this. This variant name. You can give whatever name. I'm giving same as this. It's up to you. Click on this maintain variant. For all selection screens, continue. Okay. SW01, right? We gave that feature name. What was my paying company code? SW01, right? What is the payment method? E. Right? House Bank. Bank of America, right?
BOPS.
BOAP.
AP, Bank of America. Then here you will tell whichever account you are saying. Savings. Here. Check lot number 02. I want to see, this is the printer name. LP01, LP01, LP. I want to see the check print immediately. I want to see the advice note immediately. Summary also I want to see. Okay, all the three I want to see this. Okay, sample printouts, let's keep 0. Okay, click on this attributes, all this. Okay, just give a description, save it. Variant is saved now. So under SW01, all these are controls. Hello.
Okay.
Back. Save it. I'll come back to the status. I got this printout over here. Can you see here? Hello?
Yeah.
Click on this printout. This question mark, remove this question mark. Give SW01. Job name. Continue. Has been scheduled.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so where you can see system, services, output control. Okay, or you use the transaction SP01. Spool,
Yeah.
we got a payment summary advice, check payment.
Mm-hmm.
Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Okay, so let us see the summary first. Got this, 2 payments?
Okay.
Back. Let us see the advice. Right, this is how it looks like, right? Right?
Right.
Okay.
I've just given some sample, man. It will be different, okay? So if you see, it is 1 of 3 page.
Yeah.
Use the page down button on your keyboard. Page down. Got 50,000?
Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Page down. Okay. Back. Check payment. Now I'm looking at the check. Got the check? 5,000, first one. Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Check number for 10,000. So next one should be how much? 5,000?
1.
Got it, 1.
Right.
Hello?
Okay.
Okay, this template, they'll design it. Right, Ravi?
Okay. Yeah. SAP script, right? That is.
Huh?
That is a SAP script form.
Form, script. So this is about the payment program. So you understood with a single payment. What I expect you people is to go through the further settings with respect to this. Okay, once you go there, maintain the configuration, make sure you test all this. Okay, like over here we have tolerances. Okay, hello?
Okay. Yeah.
You maintain a tolerance, it should not pick up 3 days. Okay, additional. Okay, whatever invoice is there, you are giving another 3 days for that payable. It will not become due.
Yeah. Kadir, I have a question. Actually, this was a couple of days back while I'm working. We are trying to generate to a bank. Instead of check, my company always does a check processing, okay? And there was a standard process of, they have got a third-party bank like American Express, and they wanted to do a direct deposit instead of check. They don't want a check. Okay.
Bank transfer, you say?
Yeah, bank transfer or something. I don't know. Or they
Okay,
are paying the vendors directly.
That is RTGS.
Then the AP people wanted, again they wanted that. I wanted to do a direct bank transfer, but I don't want, I wanted to generate a check. Is it possible?
I don't know, man. You are doing a direct transfer to the bank. When you are doing a direct transfer to that particular bank, then you need to create another payment method, which is here you have. But generating a check for the direct transfer, then I think you can generate an advice if you want. I don't know, man. But I've never seen generating something like this for the perspective of transferring in case of a transfer.
Yeah, that's what they have used Rufus_T. And
Yeah. I'm coming here. Actually, I'm showing you that part only. I'm showing you. So here, if you see, there is a bank transfer here.
Yeah.
So once you go for a bank transfer, here.
Yeah, that is the program we use.
Yeah, if you are using this particular payment medium program, Rufus_T, then there will be no check payment check. It will not issue a check.
Oh, that is true. That it doesn't issue a check. Why? Because it's not a check program. So, is there any way that was the question they asked me, but I don't know. I was not a functional, so I never said to them anything.
Well, let me check, man. Even I have never done that. Where you are doing a transfer and you want a check payment.
Why? Because our company is a old company and they have old standards. All these days they were familiar with check, and immediately they don't want to do bank transfer. If they do a bank transfer, how do they know that bank has got or something summary? And until the bank sends something, even if the bank says something, I have sent this or not sent that, it would be difficult for them to check in the SAP system they felt.
No. They can check now in the open item. They can check how it has been done.
But I don't know.
See. Those two documents are open items, right? Document numbers were there, right?
Right.
14
FDL1, and I know right now you're showing that, but I don't know if there is a date or if anything.
What was my clearing document number here?
4014 4015.
What the check information?
Yeah.
I showed you, right? This check information, how to check.
Is there any other easy way to check on based on the date or time or some like I think we have to mention another ZP or something the document type to make it much more specific.
Got it? Two documents.
Yeah. These are for when a check is generated. This is FCHN report you are showing, right?
FCHN for automatic payment program. 5,000,
Yeah,
5,000.
But if it is a bank transfer, it would be something different, right?
For bank transfer, I think there is a payment advice.
1 second. Hello.
Yeah.
1 second, man.
Okay.
I'm just extending that payment method to this company code T.
Yeah.
Okay. Hello.
Okay. You kept 7, not T.
Oh, sorry. I'll use this. You're telling now, check, let us see. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Position. T. Currency. 2. Yeah, I'm just giving the another method, so don't get confused. Hello.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So no payment method here. I'm just trying whether it will give a.
Are we not going to change the vendor, anything in the vendor FK02?
No, I'll change it in the front end.
Okay.
Here I'll change.
Okay. Yeah, it will override it.
Remember?
Yeah.
And you don't need to change also over there. Hello?
Okay.
Why do you want to change your saying? I'll add here T.
Oh, ET. Yeah, yes, yes.
I can keep on adding like this.
Okay.
Okay. I'll save it. Now running the program.
Okay.
So this is my new one. So I'll give a new name to it. That is over, right? Now again I need to run all this. So now the payment method is T,
All right.
right? Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Just want to see the logs, how it looks. Proposal. $3,000 gone, man.
Yeah.
Let's see. Gone, payment. Let us see what it has picked up. T. Now I'm doing the clearing. Okay.
Yeah.
Cancelled.
Okay,
Ah.
document range 20 is missing.
Tell this error. Can somebody tell?
Yeah, 20 is missing. Miss OBA7, we have to insert one.
Then why it did not ask earlier, man? Why it is asking now? Because remember ZP and ZB is there, right? For T, I did not change there.
Okay.
Hello? In this, sorry. In this, we selected what T, right?
Yeah.
So for T here, what is the document type?
Okay, ZP and ZV.
Okay, I did not change over there. So that is why it is giving that number range issue. So if you go to OBA7, ZP 20, see, added 20, right? See,
Yeah.
Right.
now clear?
Okay.
So when it clears the document, it will give me this document number. What is the next available number is 9,000, right?
Yeah,
Then
10,000.
10,000 is also over, man. 11,000.
Yeah, 10,000.
No, 10,099 is there, no?
Okay, 7,000.
Delete. Payment run. One generated, one completed. Hello?
Right.
Correct document number? We started from 11,000, right,
Yeah,
Ali?
yeah.
Okay.
Correct?
Yeah.
12,000?
Yeah.
Okay, let us see what he has said. Will it generate or no? That check number. Rather than doing it, let us create one. We can pick up the earlier one also. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay. SW. But I just want to select a new one because whether it will give or no, I want to see. I don't think it will give me. Okay. Or you can use SP01.
Yeah.
No. This is the old one. No, it has not given.
Right.
No. Ravi.
Yeah, yeah. What I have done is that I tried in different way, like putting in the printout I used Rufus underscore C. Instead of that, I kept Rufus underscore T and ran it. Still, it gave me error. So I thought it will not.
No, you cannot. No? How will you run? These are the only programs you can use.
Right, Rufus in the underscore C is there previously. I changed the configuration somewhere by through internet. Rufus underscore C.
No, it will not. This Rufus underscore T is coming because you maintained in the payment that in country and extended to the company code.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't know at the time how did I do that, but I did like that, but it threw me error.
No, I don't think you can change even. Okay, all right. So transfer is the check will not generate for that.
Yeah, transfer is check is not generated, but they wanted to put a temporary check for their validation in the system.
Huh?
Temporary check numbers to validate whatever the payments they are doing to the.
I got your point now. Yeah. They just want to keep it at their end reporting that it is a bank transfer.
Yeah, internal reporting kind of thing.
I don't know, man. Let me check. If there is anything, I'll update you. Okay. So let's come back to the toughest part of the electronic bank statement. I don't know how you will take this. Okay. Pay your total attention on this. Otherwise, you not understand on this. Okay. Okay. Now, what we used to do when the vendor invoice purchases to vendor, right?
Yeah.
Normal. First tell me, what we used to do after that? Payment through bank we did, right? Like this?
Yeah, vendor to bank.
Right? This is what we did, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, instead of this, what will happen? We'll say like this. Purchases to vendor. Okay, this is fine. This is what we did till now. Hello?
Yeah, okay.
Right.
Okay. Now I'm changing a little bit. See, purchases to vendor. Now when I have given purchases to vendor, after that, it will be like this. Vendor to, instead of bank, it will be check issued. Not bank. Check issued.
Yeah, it is directly going to check issue. instead of
Instead of bank. Bank. Once I get the bank statement, you people get, right? Monthly,
Right.
quarterly, half yearly, whatever, you get the statement, right? Similarly, now I got the bank statement. Seeing the bank statement, I realize this particular check is cleared. So what I'll do, last time I credited this, now what I'll do, I'll debit this. Check issued to that particular main bank, whatever that bank is, main bank account. So this check issued is nullifying, Ali.
Yeah, okay.
Ultimately what you are getting, vendor to bank.
Okay.
Is the concept clear or not clear?
Yeah, it is, means you are telling the transactions through documentation.
No. What I am doing here, Ali, why I am using this check issued is because I always want my main bank account to balance with the bank account of the bank.
Okay.
Don't you think it is exactly balanced now with the bank? If I have done this way, even though the check I have issued, but if he has not cleared, then there is no balancing between this bank and the account lying at the bank, right?
Okay.
Or example,
So
you take it as a passbook. Huh?
That means you are using two banks.
No, where is two banks? This is check issued. This is an intermediary account.
Okay.
You understand the concept first. Why I am using check issued? If I'm not using the check issued, it means I'm saying vendor to bank directly, right over here.
Yeah. Okay.
Ravi, Ali.
Yeah.
But do you think the vendor has cleared the check over there? Are you sure?
Okay. So whenever the vendor is clearing the check, it should update the bank.
Only at that particular time it will update. So when I'll come to know, only when I get the bank statement, right?
Yes.
Ravi?
Yeah.
See man, when we are doing vendor to bank directly we were doing, right, earlier.
Right.
You issued a check, third guy, to the vendor. Just keep yourself as you are the owner of the company, you issued a check to the vendor. Once you issued a check to the vendor, are you 100% sure that the moment he takes the check, he clears it?
No.
You're not sure, right? So he might do it or he might not do it. It's up to him. So what is happening if he is not clearing on that particular month, then what is happening? Your bank account. This bank account is exactly not balanced with the bank, that passbook, right? Whatever that bank account at the bank, right?
Right.
Yeah. If it is
exactly not balancing.
Yeah.
So in that sense, we use this intermediary account. First we'll keep it in an intermediary account. Once I get the statement, then I'll update to the main bank.
Okay.
Then ultimately
intermediate account is stayed.
Intermediary account is?
Where it is maintained. Is it maintained with the bank or is it maintained?
No. At our. This is all our purpose. This is our.
Okay. And after we get move it to the intermediate account, how do we mention to the vendor to check issue to main bank? I mean, how it takes place?
This statement. Once I get the statement, you get a bank statement, right?
Right.
I'll upload this statement. I'll not do manual. I'll upload the statement. Ravi.
I didn't understand that. What is
statement? A normal statement, man. You get a statement, right?
At the month end, there will be a statement.
Okay. Month end.
Normal statement. I'll upload it.
Okay.
Once I upload, it should come check issued to bank automatically. This is automatic. I'll not create manually.
Okay.
Okay. How does the statement look like and all that I'll show you as of now.
This upload statement will always take at the every month end or something time.
Whatever it is, that you can decide month end, quarterly, half yearly, whatever you feel like.
Oh, okay. This is one time kind of hit a goal.
Where did I keep that, man? Not here. Here only, I think. Okay, here. I just bought one sample file to show you. Okay, this statement looks like this, and is here.
Okay.
That I'll show you. I'll upload this like this, and it should clear. Here.
Okay.
Just for
I have
timing,
a
understand?
question. Kadir, purchase to vendor. Let us say that I'm paying $400 to you. Okay, you are my vendor, and I'm a company. So when I pay $400 in the early month, like March, April 5th, let us think, and when can you make it cash out of it? Means you can do it on 10th or 15th or whenever. But I'm going to upload my statement on April 30th. Okay. Do you get the money or not when you cash it out?
No. Whatever it is, it depends upon the statement. Only once you upload the statement, only it affects. Otherwise, it will not affect. Whatever you do.
Mister, you can't cash out until I upload the statement.
No, you cannot.
Okay, that is what I want. I'm thinking that.
Yeah. Now this one more thing. This statement, sometimes it will come and sit in AL11.
Okay.
Okay, transaction code, like interface. You built up an interface between your bank and your server. Ali.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it will come and directly sit in this particular transaction code AL11. That file, I just showed you one file, right, Ali?
Okay.
That file from here, you will pick it up and upload it. I'll show you all those upload part. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay. Similarly, I'm doing it for the customer. Let's say now let's do for the customer. So when I'm selling to the customer to sales, right, Ali?
Yeah.
So this will be what? Last time it was done. Now this is check deposit, right? To your customer, no bank, right?
Yeah.
This was we doing, no man. F-43. This is F-53. Hello?
Yeah.
This is F-22.
28.
This is F-28. Now, once I upload the statement, I get a statement. Once I upload it, so what it should become? Here, this check deposit is there, right? So I am receiving it right now in the bank, right? My main bank.
Yeah.
To check deposit. So ultimately this deposit nullifies, you're left with main bank to customer. Same thing.
Okay.
Clear? Concept clear? Not clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this you will have interest paid, interest received, okay, bank charges and all those things you will have it. Okay.
But how do we get customers to sales and all the checks of the customers will be stayed in the check deposit?
No, I did not get you.
Customers to sales and afterwards where it is moving.
No,
That is the
after
whole
customer to sales, what we used to do, normal entry you tell me. Normal entry you tell me. When we are receiving, after that, if I am receiving, we used to say bank to customer, right?
Right, bank
Payment.
Right.
Now we are not saying here, instead of bank, I am using check deposit.
Okay.
This is an intermediary account again.
Okay.
Why I am using my intermediary account? Because I am not sure. Okay, whether the check will get bounced or whether check will get realized or no, or might be a delay from my end before I deposit the check. I deposited the check, but it will clear after 2 days or 3 days, right?
Okay.
or he might have given a check which is of some longer duration. So whenever I get the upload of the statement, only then it will get cleared.
Okay.
Hey, concept clear or no, Ravi and Ali?
Yeah.
Okay, this is a little bit tougher side, man. Okay, so whenever you need to put on like these entries, and then you need to understand. If you do not know these entries, you cannot create this electronic bank statement. Okay. For
Okay.
example, bank charges. Okay, who charges this? Bank charges. Bank charges, right?
Yeah.
Bank
So
will charge.
the bank will
So the bank will charge, right? So when the bank is charging, so there is a direct entry. So there is no clearing entry required at all, right?
Yes.
Got my point. So it will directly detect, right? So this I'll come to know only at the time of, so directly it is to main bank. So there is no clearing, not required at all, right?
Yes.
No intermediary account is required like this, check issued or check deposit.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay, that you need to look into the entry perspective. Okay, let's come back to the config. This is very, very important, so pay attention. I'll go slow on this time. I just got one file from the company, so that's why I was able to show you this. Chart of account, see, right? SW01. Oh, okay. Now pay your attention. Create account symbols for first part, first setting. Ravi.
Yeah.
So I'll say like this. It is a key, okay? It is a key which represents your GL accounts. Clear, not clear?
Yeah.
Simple. It represents your GL accounts.
Okay.
Okay. Now I'll go here. So I'll say new entries. So what all we need? One, I need a main GL, right? Okay. Let's say E10. I'll clear it like this. Main bank. Please make it a note somewhere. Okay. SE11. Check issue. Hey, you're making a note, right?
Yeah.
Right.
SE12. Check deposit. SE13. Bank charges. Clear? Nothing, simple. I have just created a like a variant.
What are these transactions? SE10 and SE11 are these?
It is just number.
It's like a variant I've created. I'll associate my GL accounts with this.
Okay.
Whatever you create, whatever you wish. It is already there, man. So I'll say SW10. Just change it. Okay. So main bank GL I already have. I need to create check issue, check deposit and bank charges. Okay.
Okay.
Hello. Oh. Note it down.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So I'll create one I'll create from 2,10,000, create asset. These are clearing accounts. Hello, check issue.
Okay.
Check deposit.
Deposit. You need to create one more, right? This depending on the requirement, you need to create all this. Okay. I'll create one more. 4,000,30. What is that we need to create? Bank charges, right?
Yes. Profit and loss.
Done. So what all we said? This represents a GL account, right? Ravi, Ali?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I'll click on this. See, assign accounts. Next.
Okay.
New entries. Okay. Now account symbols we created, right? Already all those SW10.
Yeah.
JK. Here.
Yeah.
Right? So what I'll do, this account symbols here I'll see. SW10. Am I right? This is what we created, right? This account modifiable and all this I'll tell you later. Just give plus 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 currency also. I'll use any currency. I don't want to make it specific to any particular currency. Masking, if you people can remember. So now you give the GL accounts over here. So we gave what GL account? Main bank, right? Our main bank is what?
2,000.
No. We created one with this thing, no?
2010.
2010 or 11, whatever it is, whichever you take.
2000.
Okay, I'll take the 2-1.
Saving bank.
This one. This is my main bank. Check deposit we created, right?
2010. 11
11.
and 12.
No, this is bank charges, no?
Oh, okay. Bank charges.
30, right?
30. Yeah.
Correct, no?
Yes.
So is this clear till here? Any confusion, tell me. This is very simple. I created a variant, I've assigned it the accounts.
Okay.
This one. So I hope this is clear till here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next. This is one entry. Next. Create keys for posting rules. If you can understand this, everything you have understood. Okay, create keys for posting rules. Control C, Control V. So here, these are posting keys. Okay. These are posting keys. Posting keys created based on transactions. Now you tell me, what all transactions do we have, Ali? Check issue is one transaction.
Yeah. Check deposit.
Check deposit is one transaction. Bank charges is one transaction. Is main bank a transaction?
No.
No, right? So for I have to create for check issue, check deposit, bank charges, posting keys for this.
Yes.
So I create posting keys based on the transaction. Main bank is not a transaction.
Yeah,
Right.
it is. Yes.
So I will create. So I'll say SW21. Okay, let me create here first. I'll save this. I'll create on this. I'll say new entries. So I'll say SW21. So this is for check issue, right?
Okay.
Check issue clearing. I'll tell you what is this. SW22. Check deposit clearing. SW, please make it a note what I'm doing. I'm asking you because you'll get confused at the time of execution between this and that. Clear till here? These posting keys are created based on the transactions. So how will you create, Ali? After you see the bank statement, then you create based on that.
Okay.
Ravi,
Okay.
hello?
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now these posting key consist of posting rules. Okay. That posting key we created, right? Above?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Posting keys with this posting keys, okay, consist of posting rules. What should be debited, what should be credited, we are telling right over here, see all this. Hello?
Yeah. Okay.
All this I'll say here in this with the help of this posting key. I'll take check issue and I'll give the rule to it. See here. Okay, I'll save this. Now I'm going to the posting rules here. New entries. Remember posting key we defined right just now?
Yeah. SW0. SW21.
See, I'll go here. F. See here, SW21. Now under this SW21, I'll go here. See, I'm defining the rule to it. Posting area. Bank accounting or subledger?
It is bank account.
Bank accounting, correct. Okay. Now posting key here. Now this is where you have to be careful. So in the books you write what? This is in the books, right? This is in the books, right?
Yes.
Right.
This is in the books, right?
Right.
This is in the books or in SAP. Okay. For your example, in books, suppose you wrote it like this. So once you upload the statement, it should look like this,
Yeah.
right? So here, posting key 40. What should be here? My account symbol. SW?
0.
SW?
11.
11. Check issue. What should be 50?
Yes. SW12.
Hey, when it should upload the statement, what it should happen? Main bank.
Yes.
SW.
So this, as you said, Ali, this is SW11. So this is what? SW10,
12.
no? You wrote it, no? Main bank.
Okay. 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 Upload it to main bank.
So once I upload, it should do this, right? Clear, not clear, guys?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is GL is getting involved, right? This is also GL, this is also GL, right?
Right.
Right.
So document type will be what?
Essay.
Document.
SA. So see here, posting type. It should post to the GL, right?
Posting to GL.
Okay, I give here. See, enter what it says, see. Okay. Now you tell me one thing, when I'm issuing this check issued to bank, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I issued vendor to check issued, this should get cleared, right? Automatically?
Yeah.
In the open item, it should move from open item to the cleared item, right?
Right.
Right.
It should nullify and clear, right?
Right.
If I give like this post to GL means, then manually I have to clear. You know manual clearing, F-3, F-03.
Yeah.
You're not getting my point, I think. See, when I am doing clearing like this, post to the GL, then I have to do manual clearing. I have to do this F-03 extra step. Rather than doing manual clearing, I will say, please do here, clear which side should get cleared? Debit side, right?
Right.
It is this debit side should get cleared, right? Automatic. Hello?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
This debit side should get cleared automatically. So I'll say here, clear debit GL. Okay? You
Yeah.
can use one also, Ali, but again you need to do manually then.
Okay.
So that is why I'm saying automatically clear. So I press enter, see here. So the moment I press enter, what it says?
Do not enter a posting key on the debit side.
So don't enter. So the system says I'll take care about it. You remove that posting key.
Okay.
Clear or not clear? Hello? Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, saved it. Next entry. Now which one we have to do? Check issued is cleared, right?
Yeah.
Posting rule we have defined for SW
21.
11.
No, 21, sorry, correct. Check
21.
issue. Now we need to do it for SW 22.
Yeah.
Now in case of SW 22, what is my main bank? Account symbol. SW 10.
2011.
No, SW 10 right here.
Yes.
Main bank, yes.
So what is check deposit?
SW12.
12.
SW12.
So I'll say here, first I'll need to pick up my posting rule, which is SW 22 as you said, right?
Yes.
Post to the GL. Posting key 40. 40 is what? Main bank, right? SW 10.
Right.
That's what he said, right? Ali here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
50.
SW12.
SW
12.
12. Document type SA. Post to the GL. But what we need to clear this time? Earlier it was debit. Now this is credit clearing.
Read it.
Right?
Yes.
So I'll pick up here clear credit GL. So if I say credit GL, I should not maintain on the credit side, right? See here.
Okay. It will take care.
It will take care. I'll save it. Easy or tough, man? Ali?
It is easy, but you should know accounting as
Yeah. Actually, it is too much accounting.
Yeah, you're telling we can fly a plane, but we should know how to fly that plane. Right? Okay.
But
Now next entry. So what is next one? SW22 is clear. Now what is the next transaction? SW
23.
23. So SW23
It is bank charges.
1. So what is the posting key? 40. What is
40.
getting debited?
Bank.
Bank
Oh.
charges, debit expenses.
SW
Yeah.
23, 13.
SW 13. Good.
Yeah.
From where the amount is going?
From
50.
main bank.
SW 10.
10.
SA. Do you require anywhere clearing here?
No.
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 So you can directly say post to GL. Because you will come to know directly once you get the statement, right? The bank charges what the bank has charged you.
Yeah. Okay.
So there is no clearing. So like this you should keep on creating depending on the number of posting keys. How many transactions they have. Ali?
Last one
Yeah.
I can understand very clearly. Oh, yeah.
Okay. So this is two combination. Posting key, posting rules are the two. So you should say when they say how do you create your or electronic bank statement, you create your account symbols are nothing but your, which identify your GL accounts. You create your symbols, you assign the symbols to the GL accounts. Two settings. Together you will tell like this. Very easy. Second, you will create your posting keys, are nothing but your business transaction. Depending on the business transactions, you create your posting keys. To those posting keys, you create the posting rules. That's it.
Yes.
Sir,
Yeah.
can we stop 1 minute? I want to ask a question.
Uh,
This is very important, I feel. How
Yeah.
do we find errors in this scenario? You are so damn expert, you can figure it out like this. But how do I, a normal person, can normally figure out that there is an error like this here? Like, okay, I have to go to this electronic payment change transaction to verify.
I'll show you. I'll create few errors. I'll create few errors in that statement and then I'll show you.
Okay, that would be great.
Yeah, I'll create few errors in that. Okay, create transaction type here.
In a whole scenario of your explanation, everything is smooth translating like just Mahabharata. I don't know. Once we go inside, it will be very difficult, I know.
Everything is like that only, man. You need to spend time on the system. Create
No,
transaction
we
type.
need to analyze errors. I just,
Huh?
if we analyze some couple of errors, then we can figure it out.
Yeah, we'll create some errors. You're telling you want me to create some errors, no? I'll create. You will get confused. That is the reason I make it a smooth flow initially.
Yeah, that is smooth flow, but after smooth flow, we need an error kind of thing to catch it out. Why? Because once if it is smooth understanding, we think, oh, this will be very smooth. We can't catch
So
errors.
you want the start itself to be difficult so that you get confused and then say, okay.
Not at the start. First one should be very smooth. Afterwards, error.
Okay. Create transaction type. Come back. I'll do that.
Okay.
Next, create transaction types. Next. So this transaction types, you know, Ali, these are the transactions. Remember we created a posting keys, right?
Yes.
You will have transactions, right? In these transactions, in the bank statement, they give some number is assigned to it. Okay?
Okay.
For each transaction, in a bank statement, there will be codes.
Yeah. Generally, we used to get in our bank statements.
Yeah. So for clearing 101, they'll give their own codes. The bank have their own codes.
Yeah. For credit card, they give CCD or something.
Right, correct. That is what we create. So these transaction types you cannot create your own. After looking into the bank statement only, you have to create this. Ravi.
Okay.
So I'll go to the transaction types, new entries. First I'll create a variant for this transaction type. So I'll say SW01. Okay. What was our bank when? Bank of America, right? BOA.
BOAP.
Yeah, I'm just creating a transaction type for this.
Okay.
Like a variant. For this transaction type, I'll assign that whatever I said to that rule. So let's say, what do you say, SW1. Okay. Now let's say I want to assign this to my posting rule. Remember we created, right, SW22, 21 flow.
Yes.
Yeah.
See here, 21, check issue clearing. So check issue clearing is SW1.
Okay.
You can give whatever you want. Okay, usually it will be numbers. So I'm just giving for our understanding. SW means it is specific to our company code. Okay. So it is minus or plus? Issue means?
Issue means minus.
So minus. So whatever the transaction, yeah, so whatever I'm creating here, the transaction codes, that transaction codes, I'm assigning it to posting rule. Rule, don't get confused between a posting key and a posting rule.
Okay.
SW2, check deposit plus SE 22, right?
Yeah.
Ali?
Yeah.
See, check deposit.
No. We have defined SW 21, 22.
Oh, 21, sorry, SW 22. So that is why I use it specific to that, so that it will be very clear. Okay, next. SW 3
Equal to
Minus.
SW
Yes,
23, bank charges.
yeah, bank charges.
Okay. Now you tell me, whenever we were doing clearing, I raised the vendor invoice. I'm doing a clearing. How it is happening in SAP, that clearing? How does it get cleared?
You're running a manual clearing, right?
No man, I raise the vendor invoice when I'm clearing F-53. How it is getting cleared? Based on what? There is some linking, right? Ali, or just like that it is?
Yeah, reconciliation account.
No. Clearing I'm saying, Ali. I raise the vendor invoice. Okay?
Yeah.
Forget, in general I'm asking you. I am making a vendor to bank. How I am making this 1,000? How does the system understand that I have to clear this 1,000? Based on what?
Posting posting keys, right?
Oh man, document number, na? We go and check, right? Which document number to be cleared?
Yes, sorry.
Document number.
Right. Similarly, when you are uploading the statement, how will you make the system understand based on what it should clear?
Okay, document numbers.
Here, check number, document number, what it should take into consideration. This is called as an algorithm.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
You will specify here. So as of now, I am taking as a standard algorithm anyways. Because
What does that
this
algorithm means?
standard means because as per the statement which I have pulled up of that company, it is going with the standard only.
Okay.
Hello?
Okay.
Okay, this statement, whatever I have, this is running based on that. So I don't know which is the document number or whatever it is in this. Not clear, huh? So that statement you need to understand actually, this one. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So I picked up this. Okay, I'll just save it. So whatever we created this transaction type, now we need to assign it to our bank accounts, right?
Right.
Hello?
Right.
Yes.
New entries. Now we need to know the bank key first of the Bank of America. Okay. So it is a B12. No. /n AB ZP house banks 01. This is the bank key right here.
Yeah.
So I need to give the bank account. So we said we will use savings, right?
Yeah.
So give the savings bank account. You should be very careful on this, assigning this. Hello. Our transaction type SW01_BOA. Right here.
Right.
1 second. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Like this we'll assign. The system is slow, dead slow today.
You better come to my company, then you will understand how fast is it.
This is my company code. Okay. Okay, I'll save it. So it's very easy, right? EBS 2
Yeah.
2 2. Ali, This is how you will
Yeah.
understand.
Okay.
Okay. So tomorrow I'll upload the statement. Okay. So it's time.
Okay.
So tomorrow once we meet, we'll upload the statement, and he wants me to make some mistakes in the statement, we'll make, and then we'll upload. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
All right then. I hope you are clear on the bank statement. No confusing.
As of now, no confusing.
Enjoyed or boring?
No, it is quite interesting. Only accounting part was a little difficult. Where to move, where to.
Ali, what about you?
I am a totally non-account person, so it is understanding is takes time.
Okay. But it's very easy, now. What I just portrayed. Two like
Yeah.
this, you understand like this.
Yeah,
This
yeah,
way.
I know.
This 3, this 2, this 3 like this. All right. See you then. I hope you have wrote that, because that is very important while executing SW and all that, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
we have it.
Yeah. All right. See you then. Bye.
Thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Good day.